Just Mac, the Boundless Bros. This is where the adventure begins. Republica Dominicana. Thought we'd get up, see what everybody's doing early. Baseball. Yeah, and so baseball's real big. So who knows what the day will bring? Just hopefully a good adventure. Can we get Mr. Positivity off the beach before he brings down one of the kite surfers? Mr. Positivity, the king of fruity drinks.
You know what it is, man.
Yeah.
We out here. Ain't no shame in my gang, baby.
Manly drinks.
Yeah, no.
Manly.
Yeah.
Chinola daiquiri. All right, team. The first stop on this magnificent adventure is a Just Mac favorite of all time, Chicharrón Lite in the heart of Puerto Plata. Now let me tell you, Mr. Positivity rolled up thinking here that the Mexican Chicharron was the best on the planet. Oh, he was confident. But one bite into this Dominican magic and bam, the man's whole belief system crumbled faster than that crispy pork disappeared from his plate. This just isn't fried pork, it's a revelation. Perfectly crispy, tender inside, and seasoned like it got secrets. And seeing Mr. Positivity in full flavor meltdown, priceless. Stay tuned for this week's extension episode where I'm gonna try to cook Chicharrón Lite.
Puerto Plata, Chicharron, done. In the books.
Montellano, born from the hum of sugar mills whose vestiges I'm showing you today. It was built with the sweat of laborers carrying the weight of its past with a quiet resilience. This town grew up around the Montellano mill in the early 20th century, its people shaping their lives in rhythm with the cane fields. After Trujillo's fall, Montellano reclaimed itself, becoming a community of survivors and dreamers. Montellano now stands at a crossroads, its history carved in the sugarcane fields, its future on the edge of transformation. Now the winds of change blow stronger, with the Punta Bergantin project promising thousands of jobs, innovation hubs, and a new identity as a tourism powerhouse. Montellano at the edge of transformation. Progress is tricky. It offers hope but demands sacrifice. As the town moves forward, it faces the delicate task of honoring its roots while embracing its future, while trying to not leave anyone behind. This is Montellano, a place where history and the possibility meet each other, daring the other to define what comes next. Whatever that may be, Just Mac and the Boundless Brothers will be here for it all.
Vámonos.
Vámonos. He knows where to go. I was here once, but don't remember. Yeah. But remember you told me when I was about to eat when I was about to eat it over on the hood, you're like, nah. No.
Have to be clean.
Yeah.
From the people who I know.
Yeah.
Concho Mateo.
Yeah.
This house have been built for government.
Oh, that's built for the government?
You know, less than they don't let you stay for free. But you pay, but the way they pay is like not too high.
Okay.
It'll be cheap. But when you finish, the house can be yours.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see the sucker. Vodka. Yeah. Yeah.
El Bequeto,
¿Qué es lo que?
todo frío.
Look. He's going into the Baca. Oh, he's just chilling. He's having a good time. Maxing and relaxing.
Amiguito, this is a program that we have a school in there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Amiguitos,
yes,
care
they-
with action.
Yes, and then they feed the kids.
Mm-hmm.
No smoke, no drinks in there.
Mm-hmm.
Even in the front, you don't allow to.
You're allowed to smoke or drink.
You have been here for Mika. She's from Norway. Norway.
No,
Norway.
Norway. The
No.
builder
Yeah.
is from Norway.
Yes.
Ah. Viking. Norway. More from the city to the country.
Countryside.
Countryside in
So now we're
5,
going
10
to
minutes.
Ascension, like a Caravaggio.
Mm. Who animales? Who's are these?
They have a different
A
owners.
different owners?
Yes.
Oh.
Like 5 or 6.
Uh-huh.
They just go on his house or where they go for them to stay for the night.
Uh-huh. So they just
go.
so they know to just go home.
Yes, go home.
Don't fall out. Yeah, and the man.
Your practice. Where they took all the sugar cane and then they put in the factory, and then where they bring. They used to use a cow for that
Okay.
to get the sugar cane
Ah.
and then take it to Montellano.
But now they
It's
use,
a little video. You guys can. I'm gonna show you. Wait. This is where we're gonna get the beer, but I'm gonna give you Maria.
you said them.
¿Cómo van a ver?
Hello, folks. That's it for this episode, but make sure you come back with us next week where we continue our village tour.